Hi everyone, how are you? Very nice to meet you here and introduce about the Veegoo technology. My name is Steve Kang, agent of Veegoo technology at North American market and Korean companies worldwide. After working over 28 years in mostly manufacturing field in Korea and United States, especially for last 12 years, I totally tied up the quartz process as project leader and plant operation. That's why I always have had interest in to quartz process globally. When I met the Veegoo first time in 2018, even I felt the gap from global standard process, Veegoo already had lots of opportunity to be grown and improved through the exporting of the equipment worldwide. For the next couple years, I could hear and monitor from market as the Veegoo had upgraded and improved a lot of things to be global supplier. When I left the company, even I had multiple options. Finally, I made a decision to work with Veegoo without any doubt, since I could have observed their continuous effort and potential. There are still many things should be improved. However, I believe Veegoo have shown to market their clear vision and the future. I always emphasized as final product should be reliable and worth enough to pay reasonable price at end user perspective. In same time, manufacturer should be happy also without overpaying at investment and sustainable profit. I believe Veegoo is the only company can satisfy both end user and the manufacturer. With the last 10 years continuous growth, we will enjoy next journey based on mutual trust. I wish you will not lose this opportunity and on board before late. Thank you very much for your listening and wish you your success in business. In the same time, I wish next to several decades success of Veegoo technology in business. Thank you very much.